London is one of the most historic cities in the world. The city is crowded with hotels. We best3hotels.com, analyze from genuine customer reviews and give you the top 3 hotels in each city. Here is the listicle of the best 3 standard hotels in London. 1. Mayflower Hotel. Boutique 4-star townhouse hotel in Earl's Court, decorated and furnished in a distinctive East meets West style. 2. Moxy London Excel. An excellent choice for rest and rejuvenation. Well known for its quirky environment and proximity to great restaurants and attractions. 3. Royal Eagle Hotel. Your London home away from home. Royal Eagle Hotel aims to make your visit as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. 'To book these hotels, click the links in the description. 1. Canopy by Hilton, London City. A stunning hotel located in one of Europe's most trendy urban zones in London's East End. The area is diverse and lively, brimming with famous landmarks, cultural attractions, and stunning contemporary architectural designs. 2. St. James Court, a Taj Hotel, London. English classic, capturing the hidden elegance of one of the most prestigious British hotels. The tradition to the St. James Court. A Taj Hotel is the most prestigious choice for services with smiles. With a distinguished pedigree developed over 100 years. 3. The Montcalm London Marble Arch. The proximity of iconic landmarks like Covent Garden and Big Ben makes the rooms comfortable with a flat-screen television, a minibar, and air conditioning. You'll be able to stay connected throughout your stay because the Montcalm London Hotel provides guests with complimentary internet access. To book these hotels, click the links in the description. 1. Brown's Hotel. The hotel is located in London's most exclusive borough. Brown's Hotel is a microcosm of contemporary, chic, and artistic Mayfair, making it the perfect hotel for luxury travelers. Modern design and a diverse collection of work by famous artists. Two. InterContinental London Park Lane. Once an official residence of the royal family, InterContinental London Park Lane is now the epitome of modern-day luxury. The hotel is located within Mayfair and Knightsbridge, and with a shadow at Buckingham Palace, the hotel is close to London's Tower of London, Big Ben, and Trafalgar Square. 3. Taj 51 Buckingham Gates Suites and Residences. Provides authentic luxury experiences in a personal setting just a stone's throw across from Buckingham Palace and some of the most famous landmarks in London. The hotel comprises 3 Victorian townhouses, Kings, Minsters, and Falconers. Each is uniquely created. To book these hotels, click the links in the description. 1. Four Seasons Hotel London at 10 Trinity Square. A landmark structure, Four Seasons Hotel London, is located in 10 Trinity Square. Provides a central location within the city, right next to Tower Bridge, the Tower of London, Tower Bridge, and the River Thames. 2. The Lanesborough. The Lanesborough is a 5-star luxury hotel located in Knightsbridge with a view of Hyde Park, offering country home style in a bustling city centre. Every guest is looked after by personal butlers and treated to a variety of free. Three. W London. The venue is located in Soho. W London owns the stage at the heart of the city's cultural core. Connected to the pulse of London's lively nightlife, this is where the raucous of Soho blends with the glamorous West End. 'To book these hotels, click the links in the description.